Well, today marks 1 year since the Virginia Tech tragedy, the deadliest school shooting in U.S. history.
Brian Christopher Clark.
Names of the 32 victims were read on campus this morning. The anniversary is also being marked by gun protests in communities all across the country. CBS 3 New Jersey reporter Sydney Long is live at the College of New Jersey in Ewing Township to tell us more about that. Sydney?
Yuki, the silence that is about to happen here will be extremely powerful at the College of New Jersey as we speak. The name of each and every one of the 32 students killed on the Virginia Tech campus suddenly and senselessly 1 year ago today will be read. And as that happens, 31 students here wearing black at the College of New Jersey will quietly lie down to remember all of the 32 lives lost. Now, as Michael Poley's family is here today, and to remember him here at the College of New Jersey today, his sister is on the Blacksburg campus where thousands are remembering Poley and all of those who died and were wounded.
Michael Stephen Poley, Little Mike, innate curiosity, seeker of knowledge, despite adversity, shaped himself into a wonderful, caring person. Musician, football and lacrosse player, karate black belt, an instinctive helper, avid and joyful learner in the classroom and in life, completely selfless and giving, always looked out for his classmates, his teammates, the Philadelphia Phillies, the Buccaneers, the Hokies, and his family and his friends.
Now at Virginia Tech Remembrance Lions across the country, these groups of 32 will be lying down for 3 minutes at a time, and that is the time that it takes for a person to purchase a handgun without a background check. We will certainly have more on this remembrance ceremony and other ceremonies across the country, but specifically here at the College of New Jersey, as the Poley family is here, we will have that starting on Eyewitness News at 4 o'clock. For now, live at the College of New Jersey in Ewing Township, Sydney Long, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Very emotional day. Sydney, thank you.